Let us solve one problem from the quantum physics. The problem states that a typical atomic radius is about 5 into 10 to the power minus 15 meter, and the energy of beta particle emitted from a nucleus is at most of the order of 1 MeV. Proof on the basis of uncertainty principle that the electrons are not present in nuclei, right? So to prove the electrons are not present in the nuclei using Heisenberg uncertainty principle, we will proceed in the following ways. We have given the typical nuclei radius of 5 into 10 to the power minus 15 meter. So radius is given as x equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 15 meter. And from the uncertainty principle, we can write that del x dot del p is then equal to h/2 pi. Right, the Planck constant can be reduced. Planck constant reduced constant reduced constant. We can write that h/2 pi, or we can write it at 1.05 into 10 to the power minus 34 joules per joule second. So first is to eliminate the minimum uncertainty in the momentum. So first is to estimate the minimum uncertainty in momentum. Minimum uncertainty in momentum. We can write del P is greater than h/2 into del x, or we can write 1.05 into 10 to the power minus 34 by 2 into 5 into minus 15, or we can write 1.05 into 10 to the power minus 20 kg per second, right? So we'll estimate the minimum kinetic energy now. Estimate minimum kinetic energy. Minimum kinetic energy. We will use the classical expression for the kinetic energy. We'll use the classical expression for the kinetic energy. So we have Ek equal to del P square by 2me, where me equal to 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. The mass of electron, the mass of electron, therefore we substitute, it will be Ek, then 1.05 into 10 to the power minus 20 whole square by 2 into 11 into 10 to the power minus 31. So we'll have 1.1025 into 10 to the power minus 40 plus 1.822 into 10 to the power minus 30, 0.05 into 10 to the power minus 11 joules, and we'll convert to MeV. The 1 EV equal to 1.619 joules, or Ek equal to, we have 6.05 into 10 to the power minus 11 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 13. So it will be 378 MeV. So compared with observed beta particle energies, energies observed beta particle energies is of the order of 1 MeV, right? So required confinement energy from the uncertainty principle, required confinement energy from uncertainty is around 378 MeV. So we can conclude that if the electrons were confined inside the nucleus, the minimum energy due to the special confinement would be hundreds of MeV, which contradicts to the observed beta particle emission energy of 1 MeV. Hence, the electrons cannot escape inside the nucleus. So clear? Again, I am repeating. So if the electrons, were confined inside the nucleus, the minimum energy due to spatial confinement would be hundreds of MEV, which contradicts which which contradicts the observed beta particle energy the observed beta particle energy of of MEV, since the electron cannot exist inside the nucleus. Hence, the electron cannot exist the electron cannot exist inside inside the so so the hope this problem as well as the solution is clear. So thanks a lot.